We're running a marriage prep course in January. So for any of you ladies with that ring, this is for you. And for you men out there who are engaged as well, obviously you've got to come along as well. So it's going to be happening in January from the 17th, and it will be 2 Saturday mornings. So you can come along, you can get signed up, and if you want some more questions, speak to one of the team and they'll happily give you some answers.
And mercy, my own God, and see in His grace.
Don't forget that all our weekly activities are taking a break over the Christmas period, but there's plenty of things that you can get involved in. So have a look what's happening this Christmas.
Triumph of the skies,
Christmas is fast approaching, and so is everything we've got going on here at Excel Church. So let me give you the lowdown. On Sunday the 21st of December, we've got our nativity service happening. So that's going to be one in the morning at 10:30 and one in the evening at 5 o'clock. And this is where we get to see the kids in action with their acting skills, and we'll also have the Kingdom Kids dancing for us as well. It's going to be a great time. It'll be chaos, but in a really fun way. We've got our traditional carol service happening on Wednesday the 24th of December, which is Christmas Eve, from 6 till 7. Now this is the opposite. It's chill vibes. It is an Excel Orchestra extravaganza, and it's just going to be a really nice vibe with the violins going, with the little hymns and carols. It's going to be a great evening, so come along for that on Christmas Eve. And on Christmas Day, we've got our praise service, which is a short service for families to come along to in the morning at 10:30 a.m. So come along for that. Now after Christmas is done, we've then got our year-end Thanksgiving service where we're going to look over the year and see all that God has done. That's on Sunday the 28th of December in the morning at 10:30. And we're going to end the year with a bang with the amazing crossover event happening on Wednesday the 31st of December. That'll be from 8 p.m. till the new year. It's going to be a great time this year at Christmas, spending it together as a church family. So pick up a flyer and make sure you come along to all that good stuff.
glory to the newborn King.
If you're a young adult aged 18 to 30 at Excel Church, you're invited to our annual Christmas dinner. This is happening on Saturday the 20th of December from 4 p.m. onwards, where we look over the year, we hang out, we play a few games, and we have some amazing food, and it's a bring and share, so we make our own stuff. It's going to be a great time, so come along. If you're not already connected in, come talk to me at the end of the service.
Glory by one that men no more made.
So that's all for Excel News, but do make sure you're keeping up to date with things on our social media, Excel Church UK, and also on our website too, www.excelchurch.org.uk, to keep up to date with everything. Have a great week, guys.